What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection issue on your POCO F6. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and tap on more connectivity options. Now here tap on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth settings, and then tap on reset settings. Now here enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern. So after entering the pattern, tap on next, and when you will tap on next, it will reset the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and mobile network settings back to factory default, and after that your issue will be fixed. So that's how you can fix the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and internet connection issue on your POCO F6. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.